Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos. Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to the new chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center, and this is the third video in the series of IE stem changing verbs. Yes, and the verb I want to talk to you about is querer, which means to want. Now friends, this is again one of the verbs which is very widely used in everyday conversations in Spanish. So you may actually want to just note it down at somewhere in your mind. Use la pluma and el cuaderno to note it down. Use the pen and the notebook to note it down, and you may want to remember it. Querer, which means to want. Now yes, it is a stem changing verb, but what makes it so special? So first, we see it's a er ending verb. So er is the infinitive ending, and rest of the verb, it forms the stem. Alright? So we see here there are two vowels. How do we identify which will undergo the stem change? So friends, that's the trick over here, or that's the rule you may want to know, which is we see this u over here, which is used after ku. So that's another rule for Spanish sounds. When there is a u present after a ku, u remains silent. Alright, so that is why this stem will be pronounced as care, and which also means it will be this a which will undergo the stem change. Alright, so first look at the endings. Since it's a er verb, we will have those er verb normal endings which we have studied before, and these endings are applicable for present tense. Let's remember this. So yo form o, es, tu form is es, él, ella, usted, e, nosotros, hemos, vosotros, eis, and ustedes form en. And we know the stem change which will occur over here is a to ea, and this stem change is applicable in the L region. Yo, tu, él, ella, usted and ustedes region. Not applicable for nosotros and vosotros form. So let's start making the conjugations. The first one is up already. So it is quiero, I want, quiero. You want, just pop out this a from care and replace it with ea. Quieres, you want, quieres. He wants, she wants, or you want in a formal manner, quiere. They want, quieren. Nosotros form, stem remains as it is, queremos. Vosotros form, queréis, queréis. So friends, those are the conjugations for the querer, which means to want, and let's try and use it in few sentences. I want to learn Spanish. Yes, that's all. That's something we all are trying to do over here. I want is quiero. Learn is aprender, and Spanish is español. So yo quiero aprender español. Another one, we want to visit Paris. Beautiful city, isn't it? We want is queremos, and visit is visitar. Queremos visitar Paris. So you see an accent over the E. So that is why we are giving this stress, Paris. Queremos visitar Paris. Another one, do you want to watch a movie? So if you want to ask in formal manner, quieres, formal manner, quiere. Watches, where. Go back few lessons from now and you'll see our whole chapter on where. And movies, película. ¿Quieres ver una película? So friends, yes, this was the short lesson we had on querer. Thank you so much for watching it. Please do subscribe to our channel. We are really looking forward to your support. And we have this donation link in the video description. Please go ahead and make donations to support us more. Thank you. Adios.